Alrighty, here we are, another beautiful Saturday. So we are out here in Rattlesnake Canyon. We're gonna run Sidewinder. We got a pretty good group today. Do side-by-sides, few four-wheel drives. I've videoed Sidewinder several times, so not sure how much we'll do that. So, alright, till then, later. This is new. Everybody's opted to go up the little hill today. Alrighty, here we are. Sidewinder.
Bob tends to bump things.
Yes, he does. Tell him to go easy. First obstacle. This is the first time we've been in here this year, and it's washed out a little bit. So, I didn't think we had that much rain come through, but it's changed a little. Yeah, more fun. Oh, this way.
Way off the number, careful. Go this way, stop. Turn your wheels that way. Stop. Don't go down there. You're just be.
Try come forward.
Come forward, go that way.
You're gonna have to use momentum. There you go. Yeehaw! What obstacle? Yeah, you might have to bump it a little. Follow my line. That was a little tippy.
Yeah. And I was way
Right a little.
There you go. If you back up, it's like 4 inches.
That works.
There you go.
Diesel power.
Keep it straight right there. Straight. All right, and then try to give it a little bump.
Not very. My bad. Yeah, if he can hit those 2 points, that would be good. All about the line.
All right, I'm gonna get going.
There it is. Righty.
No, it's hitting your right rocker. If you move the front end over this way, you'll be clear. Yeah, try putting your driver rear on that. That might. slip. Up straight, then I'll lift it up. Okay? Yeah. That way a little bit. That way. Oh. Okay. Hold real quick.
Let's see. Okay. Yeah.
Here you go. These okay. Nice and slow. Straighten your wheel.
There you go. Ooh. Putting their seatbelts on, you know it's serious. There's the ledge. Got the front end up. Carburetor's not liking it. That thing just claws its way up there.